This video shows how the try running moving on forward after the commissioning. It goes smoothly. The speed can be adjusted. The extrusion speed and the traction speed is adjustable and should be coordinated with each other. The rolls are automatically formed. The tank, the water in the tank. The cold water feeding and the warmed water pumped out. The recycling is not for the bigger production. Since for the trial running, we do the recycling in a simple way. This is the panel, the temperature, 145, 150, 155 or so. This is the cabinet when it's on a working condition. The heating head keeps extruding the tubes out. And the vacuum pressure the vacuum pump keeps pumping the water from the chamber. The discharge faucet we use this bucket to do the recycling at the trial running. If the temperature allows, you can do this as well. But if the temperature is very hot, temperature is warm there, climate there, you may need a storage tank or cooling tank to storage about 10 tons of water to cycling the water to make sure the tube has a cooling environment in case deformed after the traction device. You see the tank, there's a tube, a transparent tube chamber. From the chamber to the vacuum pump and then to the white bucket. And the tank will flow the water also to the bucket, white bucket there. The blue bucket is to contain the water from here. There's not much water, so you may need a small bucket here. It's fine. See again the hopper and the material inside. We see the data in the panel. The head, the vacuum, the meter showing the vacuum pressure about 0.01. Now the tank. It's now running at low speed, around 40%. Later we will show you at a higher speed. Look, let's do the change of the speed. Look, rotate the knob on the clock side, clockwise, almost at the same speed. The frequency is 50 Hz, so utmost is 50 Hz. When it's adjusted, the speed is higher, you need to check the diameter whether it's okay. If it's okay, keeps production. If it is not okay, you may need to slow down. We'll use some new valves for the testing. You see the meter showing the vacuum pressure here, 0.01. Let's try the full speed.
主机不先加的话，你那边这个加快了的话，那边要小的呀，我肯定要先大于这个边呀，是吧？啊，飞起来了。
This part, there's no need to change.
不是？如果是 PE 的话，就是固定的，就现在就是你 PG 能拉吗？
This machine can do also PP material. Now we are doing the PE.
还有一个问题啊，就这个泵现在是用来内部，就是现在用这个水桶做冷却的，是不是？那如果以后有了水塔之后，把这个管子直接通到。
If you have a tower, water tower, this tube should connect it with the tower. Storage tank also we call it.
再抽进来是不是？啊，抽进来不是，抽进来直接可以流下来的吧？打进来，哦，也是打进来的。哦，那就是额外配一个泵，这个泵因为就是抽走的。哎，你就是当用户这边，这个是外面的水塔，好人。这个水泵是打进来的。我这个水泵是打。
We have use a tower instead of a big pocket. You will need a pump to pump the water through this pipe. The cooling water. If you use the water tower, you will need a prepare a longer tube, the lower one.
这不对呀、它这个抽走的是真空箱的水呀、哎，那这流出来的水呢？那还不是要个泵抽走？什么？从这里流出来的水还不是要？那你它这个水塔，你可以看，我给你说，为什么你这个呢？到外面的哦，一个水泵，我不管是怎么样，我这边的水也好，那边真空泵的水也好，都要到这个水下面。对啊。那我这个流水是不是我流不出去？对，也要个泵了的。也要有个泵，你打个比方，旁边接一个桶，像这样子，会有个桶，水泵搞个线。简单的办法，它就是放那个低点，它就不会这个水泵就崩了。哎。靠流过去的，打个比方，你门口低于这个水平线，它可以流，有压力了嘛，要流过去。
After cooling the tubes, you can see the machine runs steadily without any break once it's commissioned. This is to show for your general idea on how the diameter of the roll is. About 50 centimeters.
其实它还可以跟你的这个一样，就是这个冷却不是冷却机嘛，冷水机对，这个冷水机就可以了，它就不用加水塔，就水就过来进去搞，搞个水池，这里搞个小水箱，就可以搞个冷水机，你就可以有法的搞。对，这个有水塔，它有制冷块，这功率大一点的这个。
You may use the same system as our trial, as it is in our trial running.
那1.4安嘛。刚好差不多10安是吧？差不多了。所以先抓尺寸嘛。
The diameter, the sizes is very important dimensions.
4毫米是吧？我没到4毫米。
Normally, we need to make sure the outer diameter is made as per needed, as per designed.
出料速度我不够大，我就加出料速度哦。
If the outer diameter is not enough,
后来我加前
you may need to
拉的快了。
make the extruding higher.
不过你尺寸相差不大的情况下，你就
Otherwise, you need to use the traction device to draw faster.
如果你这边没法调了，不是调这顶了吗？
Alternatively, there's another way,
你可以把
is to use the
打快一点也
vacuum pressure to a higher level. It have a slight adjustment area.
管子的那个间隙填满一点，模具的间隙。
你下次打个比方，你管子做别的管子了，模具都要换。别的管子
If you are doing other diameter dip tube, you need to change the molds. Different sizes, different molds.
停了啦。
停掉，停掉。
We see it runs very smoothly. Now we are about to close it. First, close the main machine, cut down the main machine, and cut the tube.
拉好之后，
And then the traction device is to powered off.
这样关掉就行了。
加热的时候也是一起关，这一排全部。
那
And finally,
就行了嘛。这个是急停开关嘛。
the emergency
如果来不及
ones.
这个一个一个关的话，就直接按急停是吧？
你要一个
The 5 switches should be closed first
往上冲的话，你对电器是
in case next time starting the machine the current is too much high.